This message is transmitted at the request of the McKean County Emergency Management Agency, Smethport, Pennsylvania. A fire is occurring at the American Refining Group facility in the city of Bradford. Residents within a 1-mile radius of the facility are required to evacuate. Persons north of Mill Street should evacuate to the Derrick City Volunteer Fire Department located on State Route 346 just west of Derrick City. Persons south of Mill Street should evacuate to the University of Pittsburgh Bradford campus located at the intersection of State Route 346 and Dorothy Lane south of Bradford. The evacuation area may be expanded beyond 1 mile. Again, a mandatory evacuation of areas within a 1-mile radius of the American Refining Group facility has been declared. Stay tuned to local media outlets for the latest information. This message is transmitted at the request of the Bradford Police Department. Upon review of the security footage at the American Refining Group facility, it has been determined that the fire was set intentionally. At approximately 3:25 p.m., 3 individuals entered the facility and each placed small packages near storage tanks containing flammable materials. 25 minutes later, the storage tanks caught fire, resulting in extensive damage to the facility and surrounding area. The descriptions are: 3 persons, each approximately 5 feet 6 inches and 150 pounds, wearing black or dark gray sweatshirts and matching pants, with black ski caps and black shoes. They were seen driving a blue late model Chevrolet Tahoe with tinted windows and unknown registration. At this time, residents should remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to your local law enforcement agency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Erie Police Department. A hostage situation is occurring at Mill Creek Mall. At 7:45 p.m. numerous gunmen entered the mall and began to take hostages. There are reports of over 350 hostages in the building. Nearby buildings are being examined and evacuated. No traffic will be permitted within a 1/4 mile radius of the mall. Avoid the area and stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.